in this slide, we're going to look at standard form versus general form. Now, on the slide, it asks you to write the equation in standard form. Okay, there's different ways to write equations. Standard form, general form, slope-intercept form tend to be the most common. There's very little difference between standard form and general form, and you know, if you Google it, you'll see them very quickly. So if I wrote an equation, we'll keep it simple. 2x plus 5y equals 8, okay? Something like that. Then over here, that'd be 2x plus 5y minus 8 equals 0. Okay? It's the exact same equation. Really the difference is you either have the 8, the constant by itself on the other side of the equal sign, or you bring it over and make it negative 8 and make the whole thing equal to 0. Right? It's the same equation. If I was to graph it, it would end up the same. Okay? And in fact, let's just look at this one. Now let's get our red out here. If I chose to go 5y equals negative 2x plus 8, what I did was I brought the 2 over and made it negative 2. And then I divided by 5, so that divided by 5 minus 2 over 5x plus 8 over 5. Right? Now what I've done is I've wrote it here in slope intercept form. Ooh, my printing's not very neat there. Okay, so standard form, general form, and slope intercept form are three different ways to write equations of the line. If these are obviously very similar, the 8 just came over to be a negative 8. This one here, all I did was isolate for y. These will all create the exact same graphs of a line when you graph it. This one, in fact, I find to be the most useful because it allows you to graph the line the most easily or more quickly, whatever you want to say. Okay, three different forms.